Hey everybody, I am super excited about today's video because I am sharing some great news with you all. The Tropical Moringa collection, which is one of my favorite lines from the Main Choice, has not only changed their look, but they have added a shampoo, a conditioner, a mask treatment, and a Pearly Braid Out Glaze. My hair is definitely in need of some moisture, so I cannot wait to give these products a try. I'm going to start by cleansing my hair with the shampoo, which restores and locks in longer lasting moisture and is formulated to cleanse without stripping your hair. I'm going to make sure that I'm massaging the shampoo in to remove any product buildup. And after rinsing that out, I'm going to use the mask treatment. This Tropical Moringa mask treatment helps to greatly reduce breakage and minimize shedding, which is exactly what I'm looking for as I'm retaining length this year. I'm just applying a generous amount starting at the ends and massaging it up to the roots. And I'm going to finger detangle to make sure I'm removing any shed hairs. Then install a flat twist and put on my conditioning cap and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'm thoroughly rinsing out my hair to move to the next step, which is adding the conditioner. What I love about this conditioner is that it could be used as a rinse out conditioner or a leave-in. And today I'm going to be using it as a leave-in conditioner. This conditioner also enhances your natural shine and luster. I'm just applying a generous amount and massaging it in, making sure that my hair is evenly coated from roots to end. And then I'm moving to the sealing cream. The sealing cream helps to seal in moisture as well as help to improve elasticity and manageability. So I'm just going to massage that in and making sure that it's evenly coated on my hair. And to set my hair, I'll be using the Pearly Braid Out Glaze, which delivers amazing definition and flexible hold. It also has biotin, which means that it's going to help your hair growth and retain length. And for today's look, I'll be doing a perm rod set. And it doesn't take a lot of the product, so I'm just going to be using it sparingly and applying a dime-sized amount to each section, massaging it in, and then using my brush to detangle. To set the roller, I am going to wrap my hair around the rod and then twirl the rod around my hair and then clasp it at the end to secure it in place. You've seen me do this technique before, but this time I'm using slightly larger perm rods for this look. And that's it. I'll just repeat this process for the remainder of my hair. Let's watch it again. I'm going to wrap my hair around the rod to secure the hair in place, and then twirl the rod around my hair and clasp the end to secure the rod in place. With all of my rods installed, I'm going to sit under my soft bonnet dryer for a couple of hours and then let it set overnight to ensure that my hair is completely dry. And the next morning, carefully unravel each rod. Are you seeing the results of my curls? I am so impressed that the Pearly Braid Out Glaze did exactly what it says, and that's provide great definition and flexible hold. Look at this bounce. And after all of my rods have been removed, I'm going to go curl by curl and just do some minimal separation, separating 1 to 2 times at first, and then additional separation if needed. And as you can see, as I'm separating each curl, I'm twirling my hair around my finger just to help maintain definition and minimize frizz. After I've done my first round of separation, I'm just going to allow my curls to naturally drop, apply some makeup and put on some jewelry, and then use my pick to lift at the roots and do any additional separation as needed. I am absolutely pleased with the results I was able to achieve with the new expanded Tropical Moringa collection, which is now available at Walmart stores. So be sure to go to www.themainchoice.com to find a store location near you. And follow at The Main Choice on social media for more style inspiration. Check out this shine, the definition, and the bounce in my curls. I am totally impressed and loving my results. So what do you think? Let me hear from you in the comment section below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!